Are you planning a trip to Indonesia but worried about sticking to a tight budget? Don't worry, we've got you covered. We understand that managing finances while trying to experience the richness of a new culture can be challenging. It's a balancing act between frugality and fun, and we're here to help you strike the right chord. From affordable accommodations to economical eats, we've gathered some practical tips to make your Indonesian adventure memorable without breaking the bank. Stay tuned for some tips and tricks to help you survive Indonesia on a budget. First, let's talk about where to stay. When traveling on a budget, it's essential to consider alternative accommodations. Guest houses and homestays are fantastic options. They are usually more affordable than hotels, yet still offer comfort and safety. Plus, they often provide a unique, authentic experience, allowing you to immerse yourself in the local culture. You can find these accommodations easily online or by asking locals. Choosing a guest house or homestay can not only save you money but also provide a more authentic experience. Next up, food. Who doesn't love a good meal? In Indonesia, you'll find that the best flavors often come from the most humble places. Street food stalls and local warungs, small family-owned eateries, are your ticket to a delicious and budget-friendly culinary adventure. These venues serve up traditional Indonesian dishes at a fraction of restaurant prices. A plate of nasi goreng, spicy fried rice, or a bowl of soto, a savory soup, can be a gastronomic delight. By choosing street food or local warungs, you can save money and enjoy a taste of traditional Indonesian cuisine. Now let's talk about getting around. In Indonesia, your best bet is to utilize ride-sharing apps or hop on public buses instead of hailing taxis. Why? Because they're cheaper and they're just as efficient. Consider this. A taxi ride that might cost you $20 could potentially be cut in half if you use a ride-sharing app. For longer journeys, the savings can be even more significant. Using ride-sharing apps or public buses can save you a significant amount of money, especially for longer journeys. When it comes to exploring tourist attractions, there are ways to save money too. Indonesia is a country brimming with must-see sights and exceptional experiences, but this doesn't mean you need to break the bank. Many attractions offer discounts or package deals, enabling you to see more for less. If you're a student, don't forget your student ID. It can be your ticket to reduced prices at a multitude of attractions. From the majestic Borobudur Temple to the vibrant underwater world of Bunaken National Park, student discounts abound. But what if you're not a student? Well, you're in luck too. Many attractions lower their prices during off-peak hours or seasons. So, plan your visits early in the morning or during weekdays to avoid the weekend rush. Remember, many attractions offer reduced prices for students or during off-peak hours, so make sure to take advantage of these deals. Lastly, flexibility is key when traveling on a budget. Embrace the unexpected and the unplanned, because spontaneous decisions often lead to the most memorable experiences. Be open to last-minute deals. They could be your golden ticket to a premium experience at a budget price. And remember, it's okay to change your itinerary. Sometimes the road less traveled can save you more than just a few pennies. By being open to last-minute deals or changes in itinerary, you can potentially save a lot of money during your trip. So there you have it. Tips and tricks for surviving Indonesia on a tight budget. To recap, consider budget accommodations, indulge in street food and local warungs, use ride-sharing apps or public buses, look for discounts at tourist attractions, and stay flexible with your plans. Each of these strategies can help you stretch your budget while immersing yourself in the rich culture and beauty of Indonesia. Thank you for watching our video. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and tricks. Happy travels!